Hi, my name is Mr. Molina and I'm a third grade teacher at Magnolia Elementary School.
My name is Miss Webb and I teach fourth grade at Smith Elementary.
And we just wanted to talk to you about how this is a crazy time that we're having right now, but I think it is a great time to show everybody what kind of great leaders you are, just like you were showing us in the classroom.
And whenever you have been in our classroom, you are always working hard to set goals to be a better reader or better at writing in your math. And when you're working at home, just keep thinking about those goals and always doing better each time that you work.
And just with these goals, like in our classroom, we know you might have some struggling times. You might have a lot of questions, but don't give up. Okay? Just like you were in our classrooms, keep fighting. Think of other strategies that you can use that may help you out finding out a problem.
Stay motivated when you're working at home and keep working hard to be a better learner every day and always growing.
And we do want to say that we miss you so much. We do.
And we can't wait to see you again.
Thanks.